Very good morning student. In today's session we are going to see or we are going to perform the next practical. Okay, in today's session we are going to perform the practical, that is, see in your practical activity book, to show the formation of precipitate in a reaction. Okay, this practical we are going to perform over here. See students, we have seen in our regular lectures in the theory, what do you mean by the precipitate reaction? Whenever any chemical reaction occurs, at that time, what happened now? Certain reactants and products, okay, reactants, they take part in that reaction, and due to the combination of that reactant or due to the reaction, the products are formed. Okay, but whenever there we get the product, at that time, some of the time we get the product in the form of precipitate, in the form of residue. Okay, residue means the material which is left over there, na, that is nothing but the residue. So that residue indicates that the product is formed in case of precipitate reaction. Okay, so in today's practical we are going to see how the precipitate reaction occur and how the precipitate form. Okay, for that purpose we require the materials. See what are the materials we require. See over here, we require barium chloride. See this, we require barium chloride. Okay, we require silver nitrate. We require sulfuric acid. Okay, dropper and test tube. Okay, now let's perform the practical. The first step of the practical is add small amount of dilute solution of barium chloride. See here, I have taken small amount of dilution of barium chloride. Okay, so here I have taken barium chloride, that which is dilute one, into this test tube. Now what I am going to add over here, I will add few drops of sulfuric acid. Okay, wait for the 1 minute. Okay, so students, here I have taken the sulfuric acid, see over here, and I will put that sulfuric acid into this tube. See, like this way, drop by drop. See over here what happens. Whenever I put the sulfuric acid into the barium chloride, see what happens. Okay. Now what I will add approximately 1 ml of silver nitrate in this reaction. Okay, here I have taken the silver nitrate which I am going to add in this tube. See over here, and wait for the some time. So have you seen this mixture becomes the turbid over here? See. First we have add over here barium chloride, then we have add dilute sulfuric acid, and after that we have add some silver nitrate. We see over here the turbid solution. So what it indicates? See students, what is your observation over here? See this white color precipitate, it will settles down at the bottom. See over here. It is settles down at the bottom of the test tube. This is your observation. Okay, have you seen clearly? So this is your observation. So from that observation, from this observation, what you can conclude over here? You can conclude whenever the barium chloride reacts with the silver. We have had barium chloride and silver nitrate. Okay. So whenever barium chloride and silver nitrate react with each other, a white color precipitate of silver chloride will be formed over here. Okay. So all of you got this practical. If you have any query, then you can directly ask to me. Okay. Or you can directly on regular lectures also. So students, here we have seen how the precipitate form in the precipitation reaction or how the precipitation reaction occurs. If you all have any kind of query, then you can feel free to ask me on my mail ID or you can ask me directly